The reason why sinabi ko na kailangan yung mas maging selective, kasi may mga stocks na maybe before the coronavirus, tinatawag sila na growth stocks. Pero dahil nag-shift yung economy, baka hindi na sila binibili masyadong mga tao. Baka hindi na sila masyadong ganun ka-relevant ngayon. Or baka for the next 1, 2, 3 years, hindi dun pumupunta yung paggastos ng tao, hindi dun nag-shift yung cash flow. In this video, we're gonna talk about the basics of the market again, and we're gonna talk about growth stocks and value stocks. Over the past few days, I've talked about dividend investing. Then, madami din tayong videos about trading using technical analysis. But for this video, I wanna talk about and zero in dun sa mga tao na gusto maging investors and gusto mag-invest sa either growth stocks or value stocks. And by the end of this video, hopefully, you know how to differentiate ano nga ba yung growth stocks, ano nga ba yung value stocks, and based on your own risk tolerance, based on your own ability, based on your own capital, based on your own timeline, ano nga ba yung pwede mong paglagyan dito? Ano yung bagay para sa'yo? It's never about ano yung best strategy, because there's no such thing as the best strategy in the stock market, but you have to figure out what strategy will work for you. Because if it works for you, then that's what you double down on. That's what you spend a lot of time to build and enhance the craft. Now, sa video na to, sasagutin natin yung tanong na pinadala ni Loreline Sipagan from Cebu City. Here's what she sent me. Hi, Mr. Germo. This is Loreline Sipagan from Cebu City. I have read your book, Winning Strategies for Investing. I must say, it's my favorite book from the book series that you have created. I like how you gave us a clear path on how to follow the market. The book spoke a lot about growth investing and how to follow the economy. My question, sir, is this. Given that the economy has changed, what should I focus on right now? Should I buy growth stocks or should I buy value stocks? I'm 38 years old, have no debt, and everything that I have in the market is extra that I do not plan to touch until I am 60. Thank you, sir. I know that most of your subscribers call you Guapong Guiding Light, but to me, sir, you are like the GOAT of Filipino stock investing and trading, as you have been so generous in sharing your information on a daily basis. I appreciate also your second channel as I have subscribed to both. Your greatest fan from Cebu, Loreline Sipagan. Guys, grabe naman pambobola nyo, GOAT naman yun. Sobra na. But I'm gonna answer that question. But if you're like Loreline and you have questions, put them in the comment section and I'll try to make videos on top of that, especially if I have not discussed it yet. Or you can slide me a DM via Instagram like what Loreline did. You can easily search about growth investing, value investing when you go through the internet. This is the biggest advantage now, no, for Filipinos and everyone that wants to invest. Lahat ng information available sa internet for you to be able to grow and learn and be good in the markets. Pero gusto ko lang mag-share galing sa experience ko. Paano ko didetermine na growth stock ang isang stock? Paano ko rin didetermine na yung isang stock na to ay value stock? Isa-isahin natin siya at I hope excited na kayo sa another Tagalog challenge where we do a deep dive on the stock market. By the way, nakalimutan ko magpakilala, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, ako si Marvin Germo. I'm a stock market trader and investor, and I've been in the market for over a decade now. If you want to learn more about trading and investing in the markets, like, share, subscribe to both of my channels, and be part of this growing number of Filipinos trading the markets with confidence. So, by the term growth stocks, binibili siya ng mga tao kasi may promise siya na magkakaroon siya ng growth in the future. Meaning, binili mo ngayon, pero dahil nag-i-expand, rapid yung paggawa nila ng mga stores, ng mga branches, or pagde-develop ng technology, or talagang wala pa talaga silang kalaban doon, or bago siyang produkto sa isang sector, or sa isang industry, nakaka-experience siya ng rapid growth sa earnings niya, sa sales niya. Kaso, dahil growth stock siya, dahil madami nag-i-expect na magpa-perform siya ng maganda, hindi lang ngayon, pero sa mga years na dadating, pag binili mo siya ngayon, may premium, kumbaga, pag binili mo siya. Pero yung kapalit nun, dahil binili mo ng mahal ngayon, pag umakyat yung earnings niya, somehow, some way, later on, yung tinatawag natin na valuations, magiging mura na siya. Dahil paakyat, ng paakyat, ng paakyat yung earnings niya. So, madami mga stocks na ganun throughout the years no, na hindi masyado napapansin. Pero dahil masyadong malaki yung growth niya, later on, they were deemed na, oy, blue chip na to. Madaming mga companies na nagsimula na hindi pa siya tinatawag na blue chip, pero dahil nag-grow sila massively, dun sila naging blue chip later on. So, to be technical about it, please remember this na lang. Yung growth rate ng sales tsaka earnings nila ay mas mabilis, mas mataas kesa sa market in general, or kung kinumpira sa sector or sa industriya nila, mas mataas yung growth rate niya kumpara sa mga competitors niya. So please remember, pwede nyo tingnan yung growth rate ng sales, pwede nyo tingnan yung growth rate din ng income. Ito pa, isa sa tinitignan ko kung na kinoconsider ko talaga siya na growth company ay pagdating ng earnings niya, imbis na binibigay nila as dividends, lahat ng earnings or majority ng earnings, binabalik nila sa kumpanya. One of the things na iniisip ko na growth company is alam nila kung saan nila ilalagay yung pera. Meaning, pagkakuha ng pera, alam nila, teka, nakakuha tayo ng 100 million, okay, paggawa pa tayo ng 10 supermarket, nakakuha pa tayo ng extra 100 million of servers, lahat yan. They have an idea na pag nagpatayo ako ng ganito kadaming supermarket, nagpatayo ako ng ganito kadaming server, ganito yung palit ng income na makukuha nila kasi malaki yung market or madami pa silang di na-tap or madami pa silang customers. So yun, growth stock, earnings are reinvested. Ito pa, since nag-expand sila, since nag-grow sila, since binabalik nila lahat ng pera sa negosyo, there's a big possibility na wala sila masyadong dividends or kung meron man, maliit lang. Kasi yung rule of thumb para sa akin sa dividends ay sobrang pera na hindi na alam ng kumpanya kung anong paggagamitan nila nito or sobra na talaga siya na gusto nila mag-expand 10 lang, naka-expand na sila ng 10 supermarket, malaki pa yung sobra, yun yung binabalik nila sa dividendo. Pero kung growth stock sila, may ideology doon na, okay, ito yung nakuha kong number of money, it's enough to grow this much, balik natin, mag-grow lang tayo na mag-grow. So again, kung growth stock yung binibili mo, malaki yung expectation doon na wala siya masyadong dividends. Kung meron man, sobrang liit. Ano pa yung mga kailangan nyo makita? Sinabi ko sa start na pag growth stock yung binibili mo, medyo mahal siya. So in the same way, yung PE ratio niya, which na-discuss na natin sa madaming videos, ay medyo mataas. I repeat, you can consider a growth stock if its PE ratios are relatively higher, valuations are relatively higher. Pasok siya dun sa sinabi ko na binili mo mahal ngayon, pero dahil nag-grow siya massively, later on, yung kita niya, mukha na siyang magiging mura kasi mabilis yung pag-akyat niya. At madalas, lahat ng mga tao na nag-i-invest sa growth stocks, pinakahabol nila, capital appreciation. Bilhin ko siya at a premium today kahit medyo mas mahal, pero alam ko later on, binili ko ng 10, pwede siya maging 100 dahil yung growth trajectory niya, napakaganda. Comment below kung natututo kayo, comment below kung nag-i-enjoy kayo dito, tamaan nyo yung like button, hampasin nyo, durugin nyo, smash it if you're learning from all of this. Value stocks naman, binibili mo siya kasi tingin mo mura. I repeat, binibili mo yung value stocks kasi tingin mo mura. Tingnan mo naman yung kaibahan kaagad. Growth stocks, binibili mo kahit alam mong mahal, tingin mo magiging mura sa future. Value stocks, binibili mo ngayon kasi alam mo mura ngayon at nabibili mo siya at a discount. Total opposite siya kasi habol mo kahit hindi siya ganun galing mag-grow yung earnings niya. Please don't get me wrong, they're still growing. It does not make sense buying a company that's not earning anymore. The company is still earning, pero yung growth niya hindi ganun kalakas, hindi ganun kataas, hindi ganun kabilis na kesa sa growth stock. Probably dati siyang growth stock, tapos na-saturate na niya yung market. Isipin niyo to, nagbebenta ka ng cellphone, lahat ng tao may cellphone. The only time na pwede kang kumita palalo is pag mag-upgrade sila. Dati sa town mo, ikaw lang nagbebenta ng milk tea, tapos nagkaroon ka ng kalaban, tapos nag-expand ka rin, naglagay ka ng 100 stores sa town mo. So, syempre, kung meron kang 100 stores, yung kita nun, hindi na ganun kalaki yung growth from isang store to 10 na napakalaking growth nun versus 100 to 110. So, nag-grow ka pa rin, pero yung kita mo, yung growth mo, hindi na ganun kalakas yung acceleration niya. Again, value stocks, kumikita pa rin sila, nag-grow pa rin, pero hindi na ganun kabilis, pero binibili mo siya dahil ngayon, baka bumagsak ng malaki yung stock, kaya mura siya. Kaya tinatawag din siya na value play kasi maganda pa rin yung kumpanya. It's just that bumagsak yung presyo niya. Pwede nyo rin isipin na yung mga ibang stocks na tinatawag na value, dati silang growth stocks na maganda na yung earnings nila, medyo mature na sila, hindi na lang sila umaakyat ng mas mabilis. Pero ngayon, mura sila dahil may nangyari siguro sa stock price niya. Ngayon, katulad ng sinabi ko dun sa growth stocks, enumerate naman natin ano yung meron sa value stocks. Lower growth rate, may chance na hindi na kasi nila alam kung anong paglalagyan ng pera or medyo mature na sila, mas mataas yung dividendo. Please note that binibili mo siya ng mura kasi pwede ka pa rin magkaroon ng capital appreciation. Pero, madaming bumibili nito, may combination na. May chance na capital appreciation, pero kung matagal man yung capital appreciation niya, may nakukuha pa rin silang dividendo. So, depends on what style you want. Pero naniniwala ako, growth investing will work. Naniniwala din ako, value investing also will work. Then, binibili mo siya, katulad ng sinabi ko, dahil mura siya, with the hope na pagkabili mo ngayon, later on, kasi undervalued siya, pupunta talaga siya sa kung ano talaga yung value niya. To answer your question, Laurelyn, ano ba mas maganda ngayon dahil sa pandemic na to, dahil sa lockdown, dahil sa coronavirus? Gusto ko siya sagutin in different scenarios. But there is one thing that's very, very evident. Dahil sa nangyayari ngayon, sa nag-shift yung economy natin, you have to be more selective. Kailangan mo talagang pag-aralan kung ano yung bibilhin mo. Please remember, every time na papasok kayo sa stock market, it's all about skills and it's all about the amount of time you deploy also. Hindi mahirap pumasok sa stock market. Pero para maging successful dito, kung gusto nyo talagang maging source of wealth siya over a period of time, kailangan you spend a lot of time. You spend a lot of time to learn. Kasi kung ganun lang siya kadali na, okay, stock pick lang, kikita na kayo, yaman na kayo, di lahat ng tao dapat sobrang yaman. Pero hindi ganun eh. Lahat ng mga bagay para yumaman, pinaghihirapan. If you want wealth that will outlast you, it's something that you work hard for right now. So, pa-English pa tuloy ako doon. The reason why sinabi ko na kailangan yung mas maging selective, kasi may mga stocks na maybe before the coronavirus, tinatawag sila na growth stocks. Pero dahil nag-shift yung economy, baka hindi na sila binibili masyado ng mga tao. Baka hindi na sila masyadong ganun ka-relevant ngayon. Or baka for the next 1, 2, 3 years, hindi dun pumupunta yung paggastos ng tao, hindi dun nag-shift yung cash flow. Naniniwala ako, sa ngayon na habang ginagawa ko ito yung video, magbabago rin naman to over time, pero paulit-ulit ko itong sinasabi sa lahat ng mga videos ko. Kailangan natin makita gaano kalaki yung impact nito sa travel, which nakita natin, tamang-tama yung mga airlines, yung mga hotels, yung mga restaurants. Ano rin yung impact nito sa mass gatherings, concerts, expos, conventions, etc. Ano tama nito sa property sector kasi madaming tao na hindi nakakabili ng condo, hindi bumibili ng bahay, or in the same way, dahil sa work from home, baka hindi ganun kalaki yung kailangan ng tao na rental, or in the same way also dahil sa e-commerce, mas madaming brick and mortar stores na inisip na, teka, mas mura to kung magbibenta ako ng produkto ko online kaysa magre-rent ako. So, kailangan natin makita yung impact pa nun. Tapos, luxury retail. Paulit-ulit ko ito sinasabi. Suits, yung mga bagay na ginagamit mo, pamporma, nasa bahay ka most of the time eh. Baka hindi mo din siya masyadong magamit. Ganun din, di ka gagastos ng mahal na pabango kasi wala ka naman masyadong minimit. Hindi ka, yung paggupit mo, yung mga pang salon mo, yung mga pang beautification mo, yung budget sa industriya na yun ay matatamaan. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin. Na madaming mga aspects ng economy natin nag-change. Kaya yung mga stocks na dating pasok as growth, baka hindi sila growth. And, kailangan din natin isipin to. Kung nakita nyo yung second quarter GDP disclosure, yung agriculture natin, nag-spike, hindi naman nag-spike up, but nag-grow siya. Whereas yung other parts ng economy, nag-slow down or nag-negative pa. So, meaning, from a laggard, siya yung nag-take ng forefront. Ano pa yung mga nagbago? Yung shift, basic necessities, work from home, e-commerce, tech, pharma. You have to be selective. You have to look at the ones that are winning, and you have to avoid the ones that are losing. You have to put your money in stocks that you know either will thrive now or they will thrive and continue to grow up until later on, up until the future. If gusto nyo talagang mag-focus on growth, and ako naniniwala ako this will be a prevalent thing ngayon at for the next few years, anything related to the internet, I really believe will do very, very well. Or anything that will utilize the internet. Naniniwala ako, yun yung future. I have been saying this over and over and over again. The internet is not the future. The internet is not now. The internet is everything. Ngayon, kung gusto mo nasa safe side ka, kasi may uncertainty pa, may volatility pa, hindi pa natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa economy, then baka mas maganda para sa'yo, value stocks. Kasi dahil mura siya, dadating yung point na pag nakita ng tao na it's too cheap to ignore already, they will start to buy it, and because they think it's discounted, they will buy, more buyers bring the prices up, and later on, it will reflect kung ano yung tunay niya na value. And that being said also, mas magiging kampante ka also kasi may mga assets naman siya. Probably yung assets din niya mas malaki pa yung value kesa sa stock price niya kung saan siya nagtitrade yun. Tapos may dividends din siya na kahit hinahawakan mo siya, kahit naghihintay ka, kahit di siya masyadong gumagalaw dahil may value yun, dahil kumikita siya, may dividends ka pa rin na natatanggap. Either way, kahit growth investing pinili mo o value investing, pareho sila. Kailangan mo mag-exercise ng patience for both. Bakit? Pag bumili ka ng growth stock, bili mo tong growth stock na to, kailangan mo maghintay habang mag-reflect siya na makuha niya talaga yung prinamis niya na growth. Or in the same way, pag value investor ka, binili mo na sobrang mura ngayon, kailangan mo maghintay para bumalik siya dun sa totoong value niya. Yun nga lang, gusto ko maging balance sa video na to na may positive at negative side din ito. People buy growth stocks for the promise of what it could be later on. Yung problem dun is, what if hindi nila makuha yung promise? What if they promise, okay, magkakaroon kami ng 1,000 na stores. Okay, magkakaroon kami ng 100 million US dollars na income. Magkakaroon kami ng X number of units sold. Pag hindi nila nakuha yun, malaki yung chance na ibibenta sila ng shareholders. Kasi, magmumukha na siyang lalong mahal. Binili mo siya ngayon ng mahal, with the promise of growth, nakalipas na yung panahon, yung presyo niya mahal pa rin, hindi siya nag-grow, tapos baka may mas magandang stock na already by that time, or pag hindi nila nakuha kung anong ini-expect ng tao sa kanila, maglilipatan yung investors, and then more sellers bring the prices down, and there's a big chance yung stock na yun, bumaba siya. Yung negative side naman ng value investing is this. Minsan, may mga stock na sobrang mura, pero may rason din kung bakit siya sobrang mura. May rason din na baka pag binili mo siya ngayon, mura siya, hindi rin siya umakyat agad. Maghihintay ka ng sobrang tagal na panahon bago siya bumalik do sa presyo na gusto mo, or bago niya maatim yung presyo na gusto mo. Lalim nun, maatim. Bago niya ma-hit yung price na gusto mo. So, yun lang yung kapalit nun. Minsan, may mga stocks na may rason kung bakit sila sobrang mura, pero matatagalan sila bago makabalik kung ano talaga dapat yung presyo niya. So, yun lang. Pero at the end of the day, for both growth and value investing, if you can deploy patience, you're supposed to be okay. I hope madami kayong natutunan sa video na to. Ito gagawin natin, guys. Kung gusto nyo na pag-usapan pa natin tong growth and value stocks, comment growth if you want me to talk about more about growth stocks, or comment value if you want me to focus on value stocks even more. And gagawin natin tong growth and value series also para mas mapag-usapan natin to, mas mabigyan kayo ng clarity. At alam niyo naman, yung channel na to, hindi to about stock tips, picks. This is all about principles, strategies para mag-grow kayo sa stock market. So yun, kung madami kayong natutunan, appreciate it if you could press like, share, and subscribe, and smash the bell for both of my channels para every time na may bago akong video, you get updated. And kung gusto nyo pang matuto sa stock market, madami akong link sa description below sa mga playlists ko about technical and fundamental analysis and the basics of the market. Kung gusto nyo matuto, sa libro ko, meron akong 5 libro, nasa Shopee, pwede nyo siyang click. Kung gusto nyo mag-invest sa US markets, eToro, click the link below to invest in US stocks for less than $50 only. Then meron akong online courses with Chinkee Tan and Sean Si. Lahat sila makikita nyo sa description below. I hope na madami kayong natutunan and this is something that's insightful for all of you na nagbigay ng value sa inyo. Kaya, nagtatagalog din ako kasi madami sa inyo gusto ng Tagalog. Again, hindi ko alam kung natutuwa kayo or natatawa kayo pag nagtatagalog ako. Pero gusto ko, every time na punta kayo sa channel, may napupulot kayo na aral, meron kayong magagamit. At kung nasan man kayo sa road nyo towards financial freedom, I hope na habang nanonood kayo ng channel na to, you're inching one step closer, you're moving one step closer to whatever your dreams are, whatever your goals are, that in spite of all the negativity around, nakakatulong ako to add a dose of positivity, to add a dose of optimism, to add a dose that, hey, wherever you are, ano man yung sitwasyon mo, pwede kang maging financially free. Whatever you are, kung ano man yung background mo, never let your background define who you are. Never let your background define ano yung pwede nyong gawin, ano yung pwede nyong maging, ano yung pwede nyong puntahan. Never let that be the definition of your life. Never let your school education or your background na hindi, ito yung pinag-aralan ko, hindi ako mahilig sa numbers. Never let that define ko ano yung pwede nyo gawin. Whoever said that what you're doing right now is what you'll just ever be, do not limit yourself. Do not limit yourself dun sa labels na binigay ng tao sa inyo. You are more than what the labels of other people placed inside of you, that you will ascend, you will arise, you will do better in spite of this pandemic, in spite of what everyone else is saying. You will rise up, you will do better, and this will be the start of even bigger and better and greater days for your life. I know you're here for stocks, but I hope you get this, because what you believe inside is what will manifest outside. How you see yourself, how you believe in what you have will allow you to walk clearly, will allow you to walk with optimism, will allow you to walk with a spring in your step, that no matter how bad things are, never let that decide how you live your day. Never let that decide how you walk your life. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. At dahil Tagalog challenge to, mga lakal na mabuti, mga lakal na malakas, at mga lakal na matalino. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.